What's going on, guys? We are back with another video, and today we are at
a Bronco off-roadeo in Moab.
Yep, so breaking news, we bought a Bronco. But don't worry, Ranger content isn't going anywhere because we're probably not going to get it for another year and a half, 2 years. So today we're going to experience what it's all about here at the Bronco Off-roadeo and see what the Broncos can do here in Moab. So stay tuned. Let's find out what how they can do. All right, so we just finished up our orientation.
Yes.
And we're getting in the Broncos now.
We somehow managed to get the only two-door, which is what we ordered.
Yes.
But it does come with a 2.7. We ordered the 2.3 manual, so it's a little different, but definitely going to be great figuring out the different angles, breakover angle, departure. It's going to be a lot different from the four-door, so I'm excited.
It's super cool that we were literally the only two-door in this whole lineup of Broncos. The only two-door, and we were able to get it, so
yay.
Let's go hit some trails.
And you're going to see the suspension sort of relax and have a lot more articulation. You ready? All the way to the left. This button right here. All the way left. Go ahead and push it. There you go. You see that tire? And how now it's touching the ground. It wasn't before. Now I can't get my hand really in here anymore. The suspension has a lot more flex to it, more articulation.
So Nicole's driving right now. All the Broncos behind us. Good job! Now, this may not look bad on camera, but that's pretty high up there.
All right, Nicole, looking like a rock star in the two-door. Come on with it, friend. And Bronco 1, you're both right there. Just pull in there behind Bronco 1. Nice and slow, just like that. You still got several more feet before you get to your first ledge. All right, here's your first ledge coming off. Nice and slow. Control that second ledge. Really control it. Beautiful. Don't forget about those back tires. Very controlled. Set her down pretty. That's outstanding. Very good driving. A little more passenger. Aiming that driver's side tire for that notch. Very nice, Nicole. Something just like that. You're doing great. Alright, start trying to touch towards that driver's side. Just real gentle and smooth. Just like before. You're doing great. Control that brake. Fantastic.
Woo! Some three-wheel action.
There it is. Very good job.
Good job! How was that? Keep her coming. Just like that.
Oh my God! Okay. I'm Ted, you're doing great. You're doing great.
She killed it. Just turn it all the way. Hard lock. There's the wonders of trail assist, trail turn assist in action. Alrighty guys, so we're here pit stopping for lunch at the
Wind Cave.
Yes, the wind caves here in Moab. As you see behind us is a cave system that supposedly goes back a few hundred feet. So we're gonna check that out in a bit. And if you see behind us, saw the Broncos out there. So pit stopping here for lunch, very cool to see something and get out of the sun for a bit. So it's been super fun so far. 10 out of 10 recommend if you can make it out to one of these events. Well, I'm not sure how well you can see. We'll see how the video turns out, but there's the entrance to the cave. And it goes back, say about 100, 200 feet from the entrance. And it's probably like 15 to 20 degrees cooler in here. Cool to see.
That wheel straight, just like you're doing. We got those lockers in, Armando? Yeah, do want him to do that front. Very good pace. Nice, that's steady. Beautiful. And once we get to the top, we turn those lockers off because it makes it harder to turn with the lockers. It's two-door to have a little better time. Start making this turn. That short wheelbase helps.
Oh yeah.
It's a cool vehicle, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
All right, next Bronco, come on up, Bill. Very good, Armando. Just really control, keep that wheel straight, control that brake. There it is. Oh yeah. A short wheelbase, look at that lift.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
That's fun, isn't it?
From the outside, oh my.
Feel good, Bill? Always good. I love it. Yep, right on line. Keep coming like that, nice and steady. Come back to the just a touch. Perfect. Come on up. Come on up, nice and steady, just like that. That's great. Steady. Yeah. Couldn't have done it better myself, Armando.
Alright, so that obstacle we just did, I know for sure the camera's not gonna do it justice. That was pretty crazy. All I saw was straight blue sky probably for a good like 10-15 seconds, so camera doesn't do it justice.
Alright, so the same hill we just went up. We're about to go down. So we're gonna have a very large drop off. I'm sure he's staring at the hood and see how he does. Just like that. He is up.
Alrighty guys, that wraps it up here in Moab and all the trails we hit with the Bronco. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe for more future Bronco and Ranger content. We'll see you guys in the next video.